Nothing like a bit of exploring in the morning, guys. We out here. Not a bad spot.
Not bad. Let's hit it. Wet weather.
Yeah, this thing is copped a thrashing, eh?
I didn't bring the rake. Just out there, I reckon. And then we've got these little bells. Let us know when the bite is on, yeah?
G'day, welcome to another episode of Bushrats. You're back out here with young Lee.
I'm Tony.
We're just spending another day doing Bushrats things. We've got the rods out on a bit of a float.
Yeah, gonna stop and have a bit of a feed, get a little fire going in the new cooker while we got some bobbers out with some worms under them.
Yep, we got a new little rim cooker that the two Pirates blokes made for us. So we brought some snags out. Gonna do a Bunnings style sausage sizzle, I reckon.
Taking it pretty easy.
Yep, but hopefully we get a ready or two on the worms, but anything can happen.
That's how we go.
Just another day, let's get it on.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll have to block it up, get a rock in the bottom there.
Yeah, or a can. Push that can. What do you reckon? Right colour.
Alright, just got the fire cranking. A few worms out there on the bob. Tony's just changing up rig. He's got his first snag of the day. No reddies yet.
Nah, one snag, no reddies, no snags on the cooker yet.
Yep, but we'll get a few snags on the go. Hopefully less snags out there.
Oh man, something just swam right under my bobber.
You on?
No. One of them V things just comes with water right under it.
Right, we're just going to wait for that fire to crank up, get some snags on. How's the fishing here so far?
Just keeping an eye on my tip of my rods. Got a bobber out, and then I've got one just paternoster down on the bottom. So
yep, this spot's never really paid off too much.
Put out a bit of fish oil, and there's been some swirls in the fucking margins and a bit of action out there. So
see if we can get one out of here.
See what happens.
Alright, fishing's a bit slow this morning.
Still keeping an eye on those rod tips, not much happening.
Yeah, this spot we don't really get too many out of, but
nah,
it's got to try.
Never been red hot, but it is a nice little outlook. It's a little bit of a corner of the river.
Yep.
So just a good view.
So let's get some snags on, eh?
Cook it up, cook it up. Salty sausage. Yeah.
Cooker's working well, red hot, and then snags on the go, a little black, but Dad's character. Not a bad way to spend the day, mate. Do you want one, mate? You want one?
Yeah, alright.
Couple onions.
Snaggle.
Snagger on there, mate.
Ooh.
That's our Bunnings in the woods, mate.
We out here.
Well, the sun's just come back out for a little bit. Not much action.
A little bit quiet, but good little feed out here.
Yeah, we can't be catching stonkers every day,
Good
but
to get out.
gotta have a worm out to find out.
Cocked and loaded.
A few bubbles around the bobber. Ooh, sweet fuck all.
Few worms on there.
Couple worms. Just get them back out. That'll do. You on? Hey? I'm on. How's it? Bucking around here picking up rubbish. Meant to be fishing. Let's hit it.
It
Let's
was like getting dragged under and the line was moving.
see what happens.
Get your line in.
I've got a snaggle round me bell.
Oh no, maybe that was
Me
it.
bell.
Maybe that was it. Oh no, it's not.
No, I don't think so. False alarm. There we go, guys, full bin, 5 minutes worth of stabbing on the rubbish. May as well while you're out here fishing, waiting for a bite. Keeps the place nice and tidy for everyone else. Keep the joint open.
1 in, 2 out.
1 in, 2 out.
2 out, 1 in. Oh, duck. What are you eating, duck?
A bit of a slow day's fishing. Worms aren't doing the trick today, are they?
Not really.
Seems more of a Harvey game, the old worms.
Want to add some soft plastics?
Tony's changing up, he's going soft plastics.
Little UV paddle tail grub.
Yep, mix it up.
1/8 jig head.
You think you got this red fin figured out, mate, and you just got no idea, really, do you?
Never. Never. Look at that top fucking hook. Run. From way downtown. Blob, blob, blob.
Could be on here.
Man,
No, got nothing, got nothing.
look at that worm.
Picked up an extra worm. That's it, pack him in, you reckon? Yeah, you can only fucking go about 3-4 hours with no fish, eh?
Yeah.
We had a win last time,
Casual little flick and sit while we had a bloody feed.
Yep, test out the new Barbie.
Good little day.
Just means we could be on tomorrow.
Sausage on the flats.
Yeah.
Huckleberry, huckleberry, huckleberry boo.
There we go, guys. Another river expedition with the Bushrats done and dusted.
Yeah, pretty slow out here today, but good to get out. Good to have a casual Friday afternoon, just get the new cooker out, have a few snags.
Yep, beats going to work any day of the week, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
Good to test out the new Barbie. 2 pirates made us that. Can't get fish every time. We had a bit of a win on the Harvey one. Check them episodes out. You want to see some stonkers.
Yeah, check out more of the episodes, like and subscribe, and don't forget the new merch.
Yep, we've got new jumpers right here, shirts, beanies, Bushrats.big cartel. Other than that, guys, we'll fucking see you next time.
Get amongst it.
Take it easy. You. Not a bad day.
Cup ahead, bro.